Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing the location system to refresh. First, enable high accuracy location so the phone uses GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile towers. This increases precision. Next, close Pokémon GO and any map or ride-sharing apps that may hog the GPS signal. Once done, toggle airplane mode for about 5 to 10 seconds to drop stale network fixes and then turn it off. This compels the modem and the GPS chip to reacquire fresh satellites and network location data. You now clear corrupted app or system location information that often causes error 11. On Android, clear the app cache and, if needed, clear data. On iOS, offload the app or reset network settings so cached coordinates are discarded. Also reset the system's location services or network settings to remove bad apps entries. Once these clears are applied, reboot the device to ensure all services start fresh and the game can request a clean, current fix from the GPS and network sources. You finish by launching Pokémon GO and waiting a full 30 to 60 seconds for a stable GPS lock. Patience matters. Stand in an open area away from tall buildings and car roofs because obstacles block satellite signals. This is why repositioning often fixes error 11. Make sure the app has precise location permission and background location access. If the error remains, reinstall the app after backing up progress. Troubleshooting tip: check for a recent OS update or temporary server issues before drastic steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.